everybody. We're getting ready to go out on another hike. This is Cottonwood Canyon. It's located just outside of Salina, Utah. And at the end of this hike, I guess there's what they call the Moki Hut up on a hill. And I think basically what it is a granary where the Native Americans used to keep their grain safe from all the critters and the weather elements. All right, here we go. So strap on your backpack, tighten up your shoes, and let's get ready for another hike. Most of the trail's pretty easy walking. It's mostly sand and dirt. There's a few spots where you have to climb over some rocks and a few spots where you have to go through the creek. When I was there, the creek was dry, but I imagine that could be a bit of a hassle if it's full of water. We're about a mile into the trail. So far it's been a pretty nice trail. There's a slight little gradual incline. Most folks won't even notice. The trail's in pretty good shape. You do probably need to follow your GPS while you're on this trail because there's some spots where it's kind of hard to follow. But other than that, it's been a really fun trail so far. Like I said, we're about a mile in, so I just stopped to get some water. It's probably about 90 degrees today, so it's pretty hot. So keep on hiking and we'll see you at the end of the trail. After the initial half mile or so of the trail, it becomes pretty shady, lots of shade in different spots. I went in the morning. I left about 9:15. And there was plenty of shade coming from the bushes and the trees. Here about halfway up you can see the granary, just a semicircle there, but here with the drone shot you can see a much better picture of that. It's dilapidated a little bit. The wooden roof is no more. There's only part of the roof left. But you can still see what the purpose was and how they used it and how they kept their grain safe from the elements and the animals. This is a drone shot that just continued straight up from the granary. You can see up to the top of the hill that the granary is on, and I decided to take a look and see what was above that. Looks pretty cool out there. So you can see it's a pretty big canyon. A lot going on in this canyon. There's a lot of good smells, particularly because there's a lot of cedar and sagebrush in there. So this was a really fragrant walk today. Here's a shot of some of the rock along the side of the trail on the upper part of the canyon. You can see where it's must be limestone. A lot of it is eroded away, so it makes for some interesting looking rocks. And here at the end you can see a time lapse of the storm that was moving in. So I finished this hike just in time to avoid the rain. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and we will see you on our next hike. Thanks folks, enjoy your day.